Sony announces new color options for PlayStation, DualSense. Covers and controllers can be found for pre-order. You'll quickly be capable to customize how your PlayStation 5 appears with model new console covers and matching DualSense controllers. In accordance with Sony, there will be 5 colors to choose from for each: the usual PS5 and the digital version. The brand new colors embody Midnight Black, Cosmic Pink, Nova Pink, Galactic Purple, and Starlight Blue. The black and purple choices will probably be out there at choose shops in sure nations. This consists of the USA, Canada, Japan, Germany, and Korea, to call a couple of. The Nova Pink, Galactic Purple, and Starlight Blue choices will observe quickly afterward and be made out there throughout the first half of 2022. Sony stated the precise launch date would range by area and by retailer, so it recommends checking native retailers to see if and after they're out there. The corporate additionally stated the covers and controllers will make their technique to different nations over the course of 2022, however didn't give any specifics. You'll be able to pre-order the purple and black covers and the blue, pink, and purple controllers by way of the PlayStation Direct service. The brand new controller choices are priced at $74.99 and will probably be out there via PlayStation Direct on January 14th and February 11th with retailers. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.